practicing attorney at the time that I won, and now I'm strictly in the entertainment business, even though I'm still active. I love the law. That'll never go away, but I've just been thrust into this on-air host position of, and don't get me wrong, I love that as well. But it's been strictly entertainment ever since The Apprentice. Ever since I stopped working for Mr. Trump. So I enjoy hosting shows. I love the sports shows, certainly, and anything for Golf Channel. Love golf. Completely obsessed with it, also a tennis player, but I enjoy hosting the reality shows. I like the pilots that we've done so far, and I think I'm a host by nature. Certainly not as much an actress, but definitely a host.
Yeah, is that something that you picked up along as you went, that this kind of, you're a host for a lot of things, and is that something you've always had, like a charisma, or is that just something you sort of developed? Your personality?
I think that, Nick, like you're doing right now, you're asking me questions and engaging and interviewing. Lawyers do the same thing every day in court. And whether your audience is your judge or your audience is a jury, your audience, you have an audience, and you're interviewing and you're pulling information from people, and you have to engage them. And hosting, I think, is much the same. It's the same skill set that a lawyer would use. And so, do I come by it naturally? I don't know. But if I can get someone to stop changing the channel fast enough, and long enough to glance at me for a few minutes in whatever show I happen to be talking about and whatever sport I happen to be pitching or whatever we're doing, and watch that show, well, then I guess I'm doing my job.
Let's talk about your charity work. That's a fantastic thing that you've kind of used your celebrity to, for great causes.
Well, my grandmother on my mother's side, as well as my mother, they both had breast cancer, and I had a scare with it when I was 25. So my mom, I'm happy to say, survived. My grandmother didn't. And ever since then, I've been very involved with the American Cancer Society and in a quest to help prevent breast cancer. And since then, it has blossomed from just breast cancer to many other forms. As you know, Patrick Swayze recently died of pancreatic cancer, and I work with the Sina Magowitz Pancreatic Cancer Foundation to help prevent that. We work with the V Foundation in North Carolina to try to help prevent bone cancer and other types of cancer. Jim Valvano was a great basketball coach in North Carolina, and he died of that. So there are so many different types of cancer that are preventable through lifestyle choices and through research and outreach programs. And there are lots of really great foundations that people can get involved with, and that's what I've chosen to do, is just launch an all-out attack on cancer. That's why a portion of anything I sell through my jewelry line goes to the Susan Komen Foundation and to Physicians for Peace. I spend a good deal of time working with them, and, I think we all should try to contribute.
Yeah, that's so true. I wanted to go back to Donald Trump. I don't know if you know this, but Donald Trump was involved in this wrestling thing for the WWE, and I don't know if you know about it, but he was on TV and he got into this thing with the boss, Vince McMahon, and it was all for television. Did you catch any of that?
I caught a little bit of that, yeah.
What did you think of it?
What did I think about his whole, well, it's obviously a media frenzy, and did I ever think he was going to cut his hair? No. If that question's coming.
Yeah. Are you a fan of wrestling, or is that just something not interested in? Or?
Not as much. I'm not a huge fan of wrestling. I think it's entertaining, but I can't say that I follow it and TiVo it and sit there and with great anticipation await the next body slam. But I would watch if I knew someone who was fighting.
Okay, fair enough. I guess my final question is, what's next for you? What are you going to be doing in the next few months?
Wow, in the next few months. We have several projects going on right now, working on a couple of different shows and all hosting. Still trying to work on that golf game. The BMW Charity Pro-Am is not that many months away, and lots of different golf tournaments coming up. That Sina Magowitz tournament that I mentioned to you, and a lot of stuff here this fall and throughout the winter. Ski season's coming up, a lot of charity ski events, also for really good causes. So I have to get my ski legs going, and working on the jewelry line to try to help sell as much as I can and donate as much as I can to charity. I make a lot of pieces that get donated to big charity events as well. So I have all kinds of different galas that are going on and people asking for donations, and so I'm trying to do that. there's all kinds of different fires burning.
Stephanie, thank you very much for doing this interview with me.
It's my pleasure. Thanks so much for having me, Nick.